Apple of one's eye. Apple of one's eye. It is an idiom. It means a prized possession, that is, an object or a person which or whom you like and look after with a great deal of devotion. In other words, someone or something that is very precious to you. In simple words, if you love someone, he or she is regarded an apple of your eye. That's it. Let us see this in the examples. The first one, Sunita is the apple of her father's eye. So her father loves Sunita very much, and that's the reason Sunita is apple of her father's eye. The second one, she has 3 children, but her youngest son is the apple of her eye. Though she has 3 children, she loves all 3 of them, but the youngest she loves the most. That's the reason the youngest is the apple of her eye. The third one, while my grandfather loved all of us very much, my younger brother was the apple of his eye. So this may be experience of many of us. So grandfather used to love all of us equal, but somewhere he loved the younger brother very much, more than all of us. That's the reason the younger brother was the apple of his eye. The fourth one, Radha was a very charming little girl and a very bright student, and was the apple of her teacher's eyes. So automatically, if the student is bright, teachers love the student very much. And it happened with Radha also, since she was very bright and little charming girl, so all teachers loved her very much. That's the reason she was the apple of her teacher's eyes. Fifth one, my granddaughter is the apple of my eye, said the old man, lovingly looking at her playing in the distance. So girl is playing at the distance and grandfather is looking at her and telling to someone that she is the apple of his eyes. So let us try to understand how this idiom came into existence. So in the idiom, the apple does not refer to the fruit, but the pupil in one's eye. People felt that the shape of the pupil was similar to the shape of an apple. In fact, for quite some time, the word apple was used to refer to both the eye and the fruit. The pupil is a priceless possession, for without it, we would be unable to see. Since vision is something that all human beings value, the expression apple of one's eye came to mean something that is greatly valued or treasured. So this expression first appeared in Old English in 885 AD in a work attributed to King Alfred the Great of Wessex, and it was later used by Shakespeare in 1600 in his play A Midsummer Night's Dream. So finally we understand an apple of one's eye means something or someone that you love the most, or something or someone that is very precious to you.